Hi everyone, this is Anne Leslie. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dance with Anne Leslie. And today I am going to teach you the dance Wacky Tea. The music is, whoops, something in my eye. The music is Wacky Tobacco by Toby Keith. Funny song. And the choreography to the song is by Celia, Costa. And so the name of the dance is Wacky Tea. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, 2 restarts, no tags. I begin a dance, and let me see, I think that's all I need to tell you. So let's get started. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to start with 2 Lindies, one right and one left. And a Lindy is step together, step, rock, back, recover. Step together, step, rock, back, recover. Doing that again, starting with the right foot. Step together, step, rock the left, back, recover. Left together, step, rock, back, recover. Counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now you'll notice that the rock recovers go a little bit on an angle. So I'm actually kind of at 1:30 on the clock right now. And what we're going to do is 2 kickball changes facing 1:30. That's a kick with the right, step left, kick with the right, step left. A little faster, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. Then we are going to do a box step for another 1/8 of a turn to face 3 o'clock. Right foot crosses over, left foot goes back, right foot goes to the side, and left foot goes slightly forward. So, from the kickball changes, we go cross and back and side and front. That's your box step. Counts for the box step are 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add the kickball changes with the counts. We have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the top, we have step together, step, rock, back, recover. Step together, step, rock, back, recover. Kick, ball, change, box. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the counts, we have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, the next set of 8 counts. We have got the weight on the left foot. We're going to step forward with the right and do a shuffle step. That is, step together, step, right, left, right. Step forward on the left and do half the way around the room to face 9 o'clock for the pivot. Then we're going to do another step together, step starting with the left leg, step together, step forward, but we're only going to do a quarter of a pivot to face 6 o'clock. So going along with those, we have right foot, step together, step forward, left, pivot, weight forward. Step together, step left, step, pivot, weight on the left. With the counts, it goes 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Let's go from the top. Ready? With the Lindy, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, step, rock, back, recover. Step together, step, rock, back, recover. A kick, ball, change, jazz, box, cross, back, side, front. Shuffle with the right, step, pivot. Shuffle with the left, step, quarter, pivot. The last 8 counts. Here we go. We're going to do 2 hip bumps, 1 to the right, 1 to the left. And then we're going to do a rock recover, taking the right leg back, rock, and recover onto the left. Now here you can do 2 walks or you can do a turn. 2 steps, a full turn, step, half around, and step the other half around. And then you're going to finish it with a rock, recover forward and back. And your weight now is on the left leg. So the new part, I'm going to just do the walks instead of the turn. So you've got rock, recover, walk, walk, rock, recover. Okay, from the hip bumps, I'm going to do the turn this time. Hip, hip, rock, recover, turn, and rock, recover. Now, if you notice when you're doing that rock, recover before the turn, it's like a prep for a turn. So you can make it to come around, and then you have the impetus for going around. All right, let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Kick, ball, change. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Jazz box. 2, 3, 4. Shuffle, step and step, pivot. Shuffle, step and step, pivot. Hit 1, hit 2. Rock, recover. Step, step, rock, recover. Let's do it again. This time I'll do the 2 walks. 5, 6, 7, Lindy, shuffle, step, rock, recover, shuffle, step, rock, recover. A kick, ball, change, jazz box. 2, 3, 4. Right, shuffle, step, step, pivot. Left shuffle, step, step, pivot. It's 2 hips, a rock, recover, 2 walks, and then a rock, recover forward and back. And that's all 32 counts. Okay. So now we are on wall 2. Wall 2 has a restart after 16 counts. So here we go. We have step together, step, rock, back, recover. Step together, step, rock, back, recover. A kick, ball, change. A kick, ball, change. A jazz box. 2, 3, 4. That is 16 counts where you start the dance again, facing wall 3 with your Lindy. Yes? Let's just do those 16 counts again. I'll count them. I'll count the numbers. And 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is going into wall 3. So we do wall 3. We end up here for wall 4. We finish wall 4, and then we go to wall 5. And we have a restart here after 16 counts. So we go Lindy, rock, recover. A Lindy, rock, recover. A kick, ball, change. A kick, ball, change. A box. 2, 3, 4. Restart. Step together, step and rock, recover. Step together, step and rock, recover. So 16 counts. You'll hear it in the music. It's very easy to detect. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning this with me. And I have just finished the demo. I've just published it to YouTube. So I hope you learn it, dance it, and enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And like and share with your friends. And make a comment. I'm always, I like to have comments. You know, maybe something wrong, maybe something good, whatever. It's all useful to me. So, my trash man's just come. Can you hear him? Okay. Enjoy. Mwah.